Hi girls, hope you all can see us. I'm Shalini and she's again Shalini. We're both Shalini today. Say hi.
Hi.
Hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do a live demonstration where we'll be showing you the difference in between both the Dress My Craft papers and just for a feel, have a look how the projects look like with our new papers. Okay, hope you could see the projects and please keep commenting, keep asking questions, sharing your thing in between. Now we are heading over to hi Monica, you said hi. Hi Divya, I can see you. Hi Hussaina, I could just see you. Hi Madhvi. So we are starting with the session. Come over. Hi Vani Rohit. Hi Tanuja. Okay, so hi Ekta. Okay, now we are just moving on to our papers. So I will show you two papers. Let me just brief it. One is the Oriental Dress My Craft paper and one is your Exotica. So these are two papers. They absolutely look same, but we would love to show the difference. Hi Neha, hi Anshu. Let's get started and let's see how it works for us.
Now this is Floral Exotica and this is Floral Oriental paper. The first thing I would like to show you as when you put this paper in the water, the Oriental paper does not absorb water as much as the Floral Exotica paper absorbs.
So this is Exotica which has taken the water. This is Oriental paper which has absolutely not taken any water. So if you see, this paper has a lot of water, so you need to heat dry it a little more and that needs a little lesser of heat drying. But we are going to show you the flower making with them now. I hope each one of you can see this.
So I'm taking this paper, the Floral Oriental paper, petal and putting it under my towel, letting this absorb water a little more.
Okay, girls, can you see us? Hi Anshul. Okay, so we have Bharti here. So girls, let me just change. Okay, I think now everybody can see. So we are starting with our Floral Oriental paper. Hi Neha, hi Deepika, hi Gopi. See, what we are doing is we have taken a golf tool and we are trying to emboss our Floral Oriental paper. So if you see, with one go, it's getting very well embossed. Hi Neha. Okay, now we have taken another paper which is Floral Exotica. We are just keeping a towel, making sure the excess water goes off. And the same thing on the top of it. Don't get confused right now because we are going to talk about it in details. So don't worry. Hi both the Monicas, Lekha, hi Sunita, Apeksha. I can see a lot of people joining in. Yes, Monica, we are getting the tool. Okay, so
Oriental.
This is the difference. The paper which has got good cupping, that is known as Oriental paper. The paper which has a lighter cupping, that is known as Exotica. So if I repeat, if you need high cupping, then you have to opt for Oriental paper. With the same amount of pressure, Oriental behaves differently and Exotica behaves differently. So this is Exotica and this is Oriental. Now the second point, the color of the paper, if you see, it's pure white. I'm sure it's embossed, you cannot really make too much of difference right now, but this is completely white and that has got a little matte look, so that's something like you can say natural white or something like that. So that is a major difference in both the papers. Now we are going to show you one full flower with Oriental. We would be heading over to Exotica as well. Oh sorry, we are showing you a flower today with Exotica paper and we are heading over to Oriental. That will be a later session. So let's start with Exotica one. Hi Ritika, hi Gauri, hi Sonika, hi Priyanka. So here is the flower play die by Spellbinders. What we are doing is we are taking the archival ink that is known as leaf green ink With the help of the sponge dauber, that's finger sponge dauber, we are coloring the paper just in the middle of it. So if you see, we are going round in between, a little lighter on the edges. You don't have to pick up the color again. One go is good for the front and the back. Make sure whenever you're doing 3D flowers, it's always both the sides. So now we are doing the tip of it. For that, we have picked up another color, which is known as your vibrant fuchsia. And what we are doing is, from outside till inside, we are going in, making sure there is a little space in between. Hi Didi, how are you? Hi Miraj, hi Sampada. So if you can see, there's a space in between which is not been colored, and this is done deliberately to give you the look of the flower in the way we want. So if you see, we already have the petals for you which are ready. So what we have done is, we have taken 3 petals of same size and 1 petal of a smaller size. Though it is completely up to you. You want to take 4 petals, you want to take 5 petals, how heavy the flower you want, that's completely up to you. So what we are doing is, we are putting all the layers and the petals in the water. Dip it for 30 seconds. By the time it is getting dipped in the water, we are just arranging for the bunch. Yes, I'm talking about the bunch of pollen. We are just taking the bunch of pollen, making sure it goes completely in an uneven form, and we'll be tying them with the help of a wire. So if you see, we have taken a wire which is known as floral wire. The size of the floral wire is about 24 gauze. That is how it is measured. And we are just keeping some distance. If you see, we have gone little up. I'm sure if you can see. So we are leaving the wire on the top. Now we are taking another thread, and we give it 4 rounds and then pull. Yeah, so you give it another round and then pull it and knot it. So the first pull actually opens pollens for you, which gives you a beautiful uneven look in the flower. If you see, there is no flower with equal number of pollens at a same height. So we are also just trying to give it a natural look. Now, by the time our petals and our layers are getting ready, we are just taking them off, keeping it under the towel to make sure the excess amount of water is absorbed. As I said, we are working with Exotica paper, and the paper absorbs a lot of water. You have to make sure that excess dripping water is gone. Now we are going ahead with our floral tape and wrapping it up till the end, so that your entire bunch stem looks beautiful. Thanks Apeksha for your comment. I wish I could make that things easily available for you, the tutorials. Okay, so now this is ready for us. Next step is, keep your embossing pad ready, take out your petals and start embossing. Now, once you start embossing, you might have a difficult time, your tool might not slip on the flower or something. So for that reason, it's a very good idea to use Pergasoft, because that allows your tool to move very nicely, smoothly on that petal, and the same amount of pressure goes on all the petals. If the petal is wider, go 3 times. If the petal is little narrow, then please go 1 time. Okay, so that's how we go. Girls, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you are liking it, please give us some thumbs up. That will boost our confidence. Looking forward for your love, your thumbs up. That really means a lot to us. Okay. So we are doing all the petals in the same way. Yes, Gayatri, we are coming up with our own embossing pad very soon. Meanwhile, you can, girls, thank you so much for pouring in with your thumbs up. Oh my God, this really means a lot. Thank you so much. Sampada, this tool is a golf tool, which is known as golf tools with lines. We are getting it very soon. Monica, Pergasoft is by Pergamano. That is the tool that is the product used for parchment. Ritika, the tool which we are using to shape the flower is golf tool, which is used for your clay things. Thanks Athia, it means a lot. Welcome from Dubai. Hi Shikha, hi Priyanka, Anang, hi. Hope you had a great session, Anang. Thanks Madhuji, you have been a support. So if you see, we are just making our petals ready. You're very welcome, Vishakha. We're very glad if you're liking it. Yes, Gopisha, it is known as groove. Golf tool is also known as veining tool. It is also known as hockey stick, but it has lines. Now, I would like to tell you that we have changed the tool to make it a little more cup. See, there are 3 tools. One is like a large, one is like a medium, one is like a small. We are done with the large and now we are moving ahead to our small tool. Yes, Pavitra, we are getting the same. Welcome, Anuradha. Yes, Castle Craft. Oh, you have already used the paper. Let me know how you like the paper. You're very welcome, Anuradha. Thanks, Neha. This makes a lot of difference. So we are repeating the same embossing technique just one time because we are just cupping the center flower a little more, making sure it gets a nice shape. If you see, the shape is getting completely changed. Yeah. So see girls, how is the first petal which we did looks like and how is the another one which looks like. So I'm sure you all can make the difference. Now we are moving ahead, doing the last one. Thanks Archana, thank you so much. We missed you at the meet today. Yes Shalini, sure we are coming on. Thanks Raspreet. Okay, now you got to heat set it. As I said, this particular paper takes a lot of water. You really need to dry it. Once you're going to dry, you will feel it's shrinking a little. Yes, Swati, this is Exotica paper. Right now, we are just showing you the Exotica paper. Welcome, Bhairavi. Hi, Swati. So if you see, it is shrinking a little. Welcome, Ritika. Thanks, Pianki. Yes, Archana, we were looking forward to you. So if you see, and because you cannot feel over here right now, but these layers are really getting very hard. The moment you are drawing them, they are really taking a very hard shape. Thanks girls for all your thumbs up. Thanks girls for all your love, for your hearts. It really means a lot. Now they are all set ready. What we are doing, we are just placing them together on the embossing pad and just giving a hard embossing in just the center. I think you would like to see, just hold on. I'll show you. So this is how she does it. She's taken an embossing tool. You can take any embossing tool. We prefer taking tonic. So this is all done from our side now. Now comes the next step. Thanks Shilpi, that means a lot. Thanks Diljit, thanks Charu. Thanks Seema. Thank you Archana. So now what we have done is, I would just hold it here. We're just trying to make a hole in the center on all the flowers, petal, the layers. But to be honest, if I show you, this much hole is not really sufficient. I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, now you can. So this is really not sufficient. If you see this, because the center of the flower is this. I'm not sure if you can see clearly. Let me try and show it to you girls, because that's a very important step. Okay, so I think you can make the difference that this is having a little bulb, okay, and this hole is too tiny for it. So what we are doing is, we are taking a cutter or a scissors or a fussy cutter scissors, however you are comfortable. Hi Malti, hi Kimali, and we are just giving slits in between. Pianki, we had a bad connection, but it's soon joining back, don't worry. All thanks to my husband giving me thumbs up. Thanks Vishakha. Loving all the hearts, thumbs up. I can imagine the value of these hearts today, how much it means to us. Okay girls, now we all set ready. Putting tacky glue around the bulb. Please mind one thing. You are starting with the smallest layer, so that's the smallest part of it. And now you will just keep it and hold it for some time over here. The reason behind, if you try to push it on, the layer will either completely take over the pollens and it will not be visible at all. So we are just trying to hold it there only. So if you see, we are drying it out, we are heat setting it. Thanks Sudha. Hi Samreen. Thanks Priya. Thanks girls for joining in. Thanks for appreciating. Please keep leaving your love, your thumbs up, your hearts. So this is the second layer. Okay. Always make sure when you go for second layer, they're always alternate. So what we are doing is, we are doing them alternate, giving a natural look, a little broader one. Now here goes the third one. Thanks Monica for enjoying. I'm sure you guys are having fun with us. Okay, so if you see, I would like to just hold the flower for you for a second and want to show you how it looks like. Can we hold it, Shalini? Yeah. Girls, can you see the beauty of this flower? Yes, this is handmade. Just done in few minutes. You can always do the same. Do try this out. Diljit, this is Exotica paper. So I repeat that we have given you the demonstration for this flower, that is with Exotica paper. We would soon come up with the demonstration on our Oriental paper as well. See girls how it is looking. Would you like to say something about it? Give me some thumbs up girls. Give me some love. You want to see the next step? We need some love. Okay, we have got, great, fine. So we go ahead and do the next step now. Okay, so I have few things over here to clarify before I move on to next step. What we are doing is, we are taking up a plate, that's a tray, Martha Stewart tray, you can take any of them. Okay, and what we are doing is, we are using our frosted sugar powder. Now, there are certain things which I would like to talk about. So, can you open this box for me, Shalini? Yeah.
Sure, dear.
Okay, so this is how it looks. If you see, it's completely granules. Can you see how it is flowing? It's very sugary, you know. I'm sorry girls, there were a lot of people who were asking me, can we emboss it? No, you cannot emboss it. Is there any color in it? No, there is no color in it. Can you feel it? It's very sugary. Yeah, I think that's a good look. I would like to hold it for some time more for you. Can you see now? Yes, you cannot emboss it. It's something, you know, like our diamond dust, because diamond dust has shine. It has a little frost look, okay? And also, another difference in between is diamond dust has flakes. This has sugar granules. Somebody asked me whether there's a difference in between Sospeso grounded crystals and this. Yes, Sospeso grounded crystals are very thick and they are very sugary, very thin and very delicate as well. What we are doing is, for our own things, you know, we prefer to use Distress Crackle paint. This is the paint what we are using. I'm sorry, I must have dropped something. Okay, so we are using Distress Crackle paint to stick it. The reason behind we feel comfortable working with this, but absolutely you have no issues if you go ahead and work with Glossy Accent, Studio Multimatte Medium, anything like that. We're just doing the tips of it. Can you see? Just a little bit tip. Yeah. And once you're done, and it's up to you. If you want to go inside the petals, if you want to go a little on the pollens, it'll give you a very nice frosted effect. Thanks Apeksha for ordering. Yes Vishakha, you can always see this video again once it will be live done. The live session would be over, then it will be there on my Facebook page on the timeline. See girls, can you comment something now? Did you like it? Can I have some hearts coming in for our frosted sugar powder? Can we have some likes coming in? Alka, I'm not sure what is Tinklets you were asking about. Thank you girls, thank you so very much. I'm sure you will love it if you really can see how it looks. Amazing. Wow, you poured me with your love. Thank you so very much. And now there is a surprise because you have given me immense love. We would also share the same immense love with you. See, 1, 2, and 3. Wow, see how it looks. Do you want to say wow? Yes. See girls how it looks. You know, I can show the frosted effect. Can you see this? Yeah. I hope you liked our session. I'm sorry. We are completely immatures. We are very new to it. Zero experience, 0/0 experience. I'm not sure how we were today, but we tried our level best to give you a feel of the flowers and our paper. Yes, we are coming back with our session on Oriental paper, and we will be soon demoing the flowers with them as well. So stay tuned and please write to me in case if you missed something, you did not like something, or if you would like us to add anything, we would be happy enough to do it for you. Thank you so much for joining in. And here is one more look of the flower, and here off, and we want to say bye to you. Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks for joining in. Thanks.